Mail time. Okay, let's open these boxes and see what's inside. And I am expecting this package from audio company. So we have the Zoom HN1. This is an audio recorder, so I will use this for my videos, of course. And since I'm uploading on 2 different channels, I gotta try to translate and use the Spanish and English channels for the same video. But anyways, so let's take a look at this. I used to have 2 of these Zoom H4n, but right now I sold them, so I gotta buy another one because it's needed for work purposes, of course. And I gotta take my time to figure out this tool. I mean, I don't have time right now, but I will take a look at this and see how it works. I mean, it needs to be easy to use and not complicated, and I don't need a lot of stuff, just things on the product. I just need something that is just turn it on and off, and that's it, and record. But anyways, I think I'm gonna use this with my mic, my Rode mic. This is an old mic that I have here. That will be really nice and awesome to use. Now let's open another packages from subscribers. So we have here 3 boxes, so 3 packages from Brooklyn, New York. And I will recommend you to, if you're sending me 2 or 3 model engines, send them in the same package, so you're gonna save a lot on shipping. I don't want you to spend a lot of money on shipping. So let's take a look here. I'm gonna use my scissor. It's not really a good scissor, but anyways, it will do the job. So the first model engine is, oh my width. Look at width. Wow, that's a lot of marker paint all over width, and it's gonna take me like a long time. Yeah, it's gonna take a long time. Here is a note: width needs restoration. Sticker running board has been marked up. Stuck in the something stuck in the axle. Coupling is broken, and in resume, it's the whole restoration. But anyways, for those who already send me your model engines, please be patient. It takes time to finish and restore or repair these model engines. So I have other models to be fixed, so this one will be for near future models to fix. So I gotta finish first others, and then I will continue with these recently models that arrived in the mail. Now let's take a look at this lady. As you can see here, the paint, it's like the one I first restored. It's kind of oxidation on the paint. I don't know what's going on. So definitely need some stickers, a little bit of cleaning, and let's see inside. It does have some rust, battery corrosion. So definitely it's gonna take me some more time. So remember, please be patient. I gotta do a lot of stuff to, and I'm not charging you to fix the models, just for the parts and shipping. So here is the note that our friend sent us with the details that needs to be done with this lady. I'm gonna try to do my best to finish others, and then I will continue with this with these new models that arrive. So the next package, also from the same subscriber, this one is a steam alone model engine, and it looks in a really good condition. I mean, the exterior, the cosmetic, it's nice, it's not bad. So definitely if he sent it, that means that needs some repair. And let's take a look at the note. So it says that something wrong with the axles. I might think it's the gear is broken and the soundbar. The problem is not the soundbar. I think it's the wiring. So that's why it doesn't make any sound. It must be caught in the middle. So this is another one. I have another two that I gotta repair. So please, again, wait. I got a lot of stuff to do. It's not only this. So the next one is just thermal labels. With these rolls, I print the shipping labels. Okay, now I'm gonna say that this one has been sold, and this sold together. Our friend requests an invoice on Facebook. He contacted me on Facebook, and I sent him an invoice for both of these sets. I mean, actually, you know, I put them for separate listings, Albert and then Victoria and Helena. So he's getting these two models, these two customs. And of course, as you remember, I did this with Legos, and I made a video, you know, and put it on YouTube, so you know how I did the process. And so I hope our friend enjoys these particular model engines and the coaches, the custom coaches. I hope he likes very much this set. I really enjoyed making this and show it to you. So anyway, let's put this on padded envelopes. Right here I use some bubble wrap, a lot of bubble wrap to protect them. And now we just put on a padded flat right envelope. And you might think it's not enough. A box must be will be better, but with my experience, you don't need a box. You can use a padded flat right envelope, a lot of padding, and then put it in another padded flat right envelope inside, so that way you will be your package will be more protected. Because the boxes they don't care, they just toss away the boxes, and padded envelope, they are very more careful. So anyways, I hope this video likes you a lot, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Over and out.